Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I'm holding my phone, this phone. It's just a low class phone, and that's why I can capture some videos in my YouTube yet, because I'm having a hard time to fix my camera because it's too dark. I'm using my husband's camera phone. I borrowed it from him, so I just wanna share that this coming September, I'm gonna have a box that I have been ordered online, and I'm gonna open it and hopefully can capture the moment when I open it. It will arrive in the 3rd week of next month, which is in September. So I said it earlier because so that you know, and I'm sorry if I can't take too much video, but I am trying to capture some and looking for any remedy for you, for your eyes to see, and a good quality one, so that it might not bother you too much. So sorry for the past videos that haven't yet fixed too much dark or anything, there's a problem in it. So I hope you guys understand, but I want to say that I'm excited because it will be my first time ordered in Facebook, and I hope it is okay. It's cheaper than I thought, than people thought, but the items they said it's the quality is good, so I did been enlisted of buyers in it. So that's all. See you guys later. Bye.